Moonstone Creation claimed me from the time I think I was 7 years old and lived with my aunt, who's the town seamstress, and my kokum, who taught me how to sew. I'm Yvonne Jobin, and I'm owner and artist, Moonstone Creation. We're all about helping to preserve and promote the native cultural arts through the classes we teach, through the beautiful things we create. This is still alive. The ancestors say that when you put the brains of the animal on the hide, it brings the spirit of it back in. We teach those things as we're selling. So when you come in, we greet you and you get to sample some berry tea and pansawan. It's a Cree word, which means dry meat. And then you sit down and do a craft such as with the fish scales, and you create a little magnet usually that you can take home and you'll have a finished product.